Oh yeah, that'd be good. Hey Dave, yelling.
Okay. It's 5 minutes.
Monstropolis Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday! I thought you heard about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. Got unit in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's something down here. All units, here's the girl we're looking for.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snow cone? Oh, no. It's lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty, gotta go now. Right now.
Oh, I have to get these examinated.
Quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress and
Number one wants you human to be contaminated.
just a little examination. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress and reported things to where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress and reported things to where we
Again. Yeah. Well, it hit my one.
Tapos ibang kamusta ito.